Today, tickets go on sale for the 2 Cars, 2 Winners raffle. KNOE has been a proud sponsor of this raffle for almost a decade. Our Jessica Torricelli joins us from the hospital right now with all the details. Good morning.
Good morning, Jasmine. We have Krista Lewis with us, the Senior Director of Women's and Children's Services here at St. Francis Medical Center. Thank you so much for being with us.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
I'm excited to talk about this NICU remodel. We're hearing people get to work back there. We've seen a few construction workers. They're up early, making sure that, you know, babies get the best care that they possibly can. So tell me about the remodel and what it'll do for staff.
Yeah, so we're real excited that we're kicking it off. We've talked about it the last few years.
Yes.
So now that it's actually here and happening, we're so thrilled. We are about midway through our phase 1 construction, which should finish up in around October. And then we'll flip-flop and do the other side. So what it's going to do for our families, it's going to allow for more patient-centered care, our families being able to stay at the bedside with the babies, interact with the babies more, have some more one-on-one time, allow for better feeding, that kind of thing. So we're really excited about what this is going to do for the NICU.
And it's awesome that parents have that moment to learn about the care before they go home, because it's daunting and scary sometimes.
Yeah, the education is a huge piece. This will give the parents more time to stay at the bedside, especially during the nighttime, like learning those nighttime feedings, learning what the feeding cues look like, preparing medicines if the baby has to go home on medicines. It really just centers the care for the patient and for the baby and the family.
And then when we talk about phase 2, what will that do over there?
So phase 2 will be on our more acute side. So the babies that kind of are sick are going to be our longer term stays. That's more of an update refresh. It's better lighting for the babies, kind of makes a quieter environment than what we have right now. So really looking forward. We're also adding some conference space and additional rooms. So looking forward to what that's going to look like as well.
Making sure that you can take care of even more patients.
Yes.
That's the goal. And the raffle. So for people who don't realize, most of the money to help this remodel be possible in the first place came from the 2 Cars, 2 Winners raffle. So when you buy a raffle ticket for $50, not only are you entered for the chance to win a brand new car that you see on the poster right there, but you're also helping our community. And why is it so important for people to buy a ticket? If they, you work in the NICU day in, day out. Why is that so important for people?
Well, I think the most important thing about the raffle is it gives the families a voice to tell their story, and getting to hear from these families, our NICU graduates, babies that we had in the unit for months, and being able to see them thrive and to see them grow. It tells their story. It gives hope to other moms and dads that are in here with their babies. It just really, it gives the nurses a why of what they're doing. It sends it all home that we're here for a purpose, we're here for a reason, and this NICU needs to stay in this community.
Absolutely. The only level 3 NICU in the region, meaning parents don't have to go to Shreveport, Baton Rouge, or Jackson.
Right.
They can get that care right here.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much for joining us this morning. We're going to have more details about the raffle in about 10 minutes.